Hey there, YouTube. It's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I'm coming right back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing. A little bit of a GR release, SJ. Let's go over here. Let's do the thing. So what have we got, everyone? We have got a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Wheat Light Fusion Red, apparently. These are a UK 8, so you know they're not for me or for SJ. That makes them a US 9, or a US Women's 10.5, whatever. Okay, so it's BQ6817700. You know what these are. This is the reverse Papa Bear unboxing. Let's go here, SJ. So what have we got? We have got the purple box. You know already because of the sizing. We're kind of borrowing these, but just to let you in a little secret, I've also got them coming for me. I have. But let's have a look. Let's have a look, because I peeked these in the shop and they are super nice. So big shout out and a massive thank you to Greg from Decade for letting me have a look at these. He was like, I've got these shoes in. Do you want to have a little look? And I was like, go on then, go on then. And then he was like, yeah, these are a bit special, aren't they? I was like, definitely. So let us look. Let us look, people. I just want to get the other shoe out. Ah, yes. Because I'm seeing, all right, I'm not going to throw the box as I normally do, because this box has got to go back like gently. You see how gentle I was there? But before we go, so what do you think, everyone? Well, first of all, I always say it, doesn't the Dunk look lovely in a nice small size? Lovely small size indeed. SJ, we should go over to this camera because I think it's going to look better. Whoa, did you see how we just flashed to the wrong camera there? It's because we're not professional. So have a look at that. This is a GR. So what I can tell you already is the leather on the toe box is that sort of toughish, thinnish leather. But the suede on those other panels and on the mudguard is really nice, tough SB suede. So I'm just going to spin that round. So they're known as the reverse Papa Bears, unofficially, and we all know that the Papa Bears came out in, I think, about 2006. They're also known as the Pelle hat. I think it was Steve, I'm going to look this up now. Steve, oh God, I can't get it right. I can't say. You all know how bad. Steve Pelletier. I got that wrong. I know I have. But he used to work for Nike. Major important influence on the different releases that they came out with. And I know he's left Nike now, but we wouldn't have like the Chunky Donkey. We wouldn't have the Grateful Deads without his slightly out there thinking. SJ, back to the middle. Oh my word. So first of all, as a colorway with the blocking, it works. We all knew it was going to work, but it really works. I'm going to look at this leather a little bit because this reminds me, like, it's tough. Is it the best leather in the world? It's not, I'll be honest with you, but these are a good price if you can get them. Also, like, can we do this, SJ? Actually, can we go on that camera because it might show better? It does show better. Look, we've got a fat tongue-ish. Tonguish. That doesn't make any sense, does it, people? Look at that. We've got those red laces. I'm going to come in close so you can really see. SJ, thank you. Arm is killing me. Right, let's have a look at the suede there on the swoosh and on that heel unit. If you pull it more into the light, there you go. Oh, look at that. Lovely jubbly. And if you don't know what we do around here, people, if you haven't sort of like you knew and stuff, we do tend to do this sort of sneaker unboxing as it's sort of done in a live kind of setup. I know you're watching this on video on demand, catch up or whatever, or on YouTube, but this is how we do it. We sort of come in straight out, one hit, go. And I hope you can all appreciate that. Now, there are some alternate laces, SJ. We're going to go there. No, we're not. Let's go over that one. Can you get that one? There you go. So the alternate laces are that brown. I'm going to come in close. SJ's going to pop them out. There we go. Not the best. I think I prefer the red. I'm going to come back to the middle, SJ. SJ's holding a shoe. She can't do more than 2 things at once. But they are really nice. Like, have a proper look, everyone. I hope you can see that under light. I need another light. I need an overhead light just there so we can get like a nice splash of light on the top of the shoe. But it's beautiful. And like, have a look at the sole. So you've got that blue there. Actually, SJ, let's go back here because that camera's doing much better. There, look at it. So lovely shoe. Oh, you just can't beat it, can you? Like that as a silhouette and a profile, like you just can't beat it. It just does it for me every single time. I'm looking for quality control, which to be fair, you know, the price you pay for this shoe, you wouldn't be that bothered. You know that you could skate these well. You could skate them. Oh, so good, so good. So it was a short and sharp unboxing, but I hope you get a feel for them. Do I recommend if you see them in the shop, because some shops have got them and they're just coming in at the moment in the UK, I would do it. SJ, don't knock that over. Don't knock that over. I would definitely do it. It's really nice. Do you like these, SJ? Shout loud.
Yeah.
I thought so. Do you like the top down view?
Yeah.
I know SJ's all about top down view, and we do have another sneaker unboxing coming soon. We've got the Sting Waters, everyone. We've got them. SJ wants to look at the top-down view of those. Should we let SJ unbox the Sting Waters? Because I know they confuse her like mad. Like, she loves the top-down. She's unsure about the side. And as for the emoji bit on the bottom, she's like, I don't know what's going on. But, people, let me know what you think. Let us know in the comments below. Have you picked these up? What do you think on the leather on these? Are you like, I'm not sure. Do you like the price point of these? Because I was looking at some Jordans in the sneakers app this morning. £170. I dread to think what that is in dollars, but I was like slightly horrified. SBs, quality price point. Quality price point. You know, if you can get them. If you can get them. And of course, people, don't forget to subscribe and stuff. It's down here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're part of the notification gang, thank you, because it really does help. It really does help you, help me, help you. I don't know what I'm doing there. Finally, SJ, we'll go back over to this camera. I'm such an idiot. No, what I just wanted to say is don't forget to join us. We are back with Sneaker Streaming Sundays every Sunday, 8 p.m. UK time. That's 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast. Come and join us. We talk about sneakers and stuff. There's a bunch of people who come along every week. Friendly bunch of people in the chat. And you never know who might appear on the camera with us. So I think that's all that's left for me to say, SJ. Back to the middle is we are out of here.